All right, y'all. Are we going to see a $24,000 Bitcoin? Make sure to like the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I am very, very excited to talk about this Bitcoin breakout. This is looking very bullish, and I want to talk about my current trading plan. I also want to talk about the very, very important levels that we need to keep our eyes on if we are trading. So let's get right into it. As we can see, the Bitcoin price is breaking out of this $20,500 resistance that has been the high of this range that we have been trading for over 6 weeks. Okay, this is very important, and if you've been following my channel, you know that I have been getting very, very bullish since this low that we have put in. In fact, pretty much the entire time every time we come down to the low of this range, I have been getting very, very bullish, and the reason is because I do believe that some of the higher term time frame macro signals are pointing to a very significant bottom being put in. Let me quickly go over why I am so bullish and why I have been bullish. Even though we've been ranging and people have been talking crap, I've still been bullish, and here's why. Here's my case. If we look at Bitcoin since its inception, we can see that whenever market Cipher B gives us this big green dot oversold on market Cipher B as the money flow has curved from the blue into the purple, this is the bottom of the bear market. In addition to that, we have come down and hit the support that we have literally had on our chart since last year. This red box has been the target for this downtrend since last year. Okay, I did not put this on my chart after we got here. Okay, we were waiting for this level. It's the 786 Fibonacci retracement. It's the retest of the previous bull market all-time high. In addition, whenever we see market Cipher B giving this bottom signal in 2018, it was the bottom. Now, we didn't pump immediately. We ranged for another, you could make the case, until March 2020 for another 2 years, but it was the bottom. And when we hit the bottom, that first higher low we put in gave us a move to the upside. In 2015, again, that signal was the bottom, and when we put in a higher low, we got another move to the upside. So what does this mean for Bitcoin? For Bitcoin, this means that I am looking for another move back up to the top of the macro range that we have been trading since basically June. Okay, so in August, we put in a high up around $25,000, and we have our low around that $18,000 level. So if we see what happened here, we can see that this is a very large sideways range. We have put in a low down here with very bullish signs. Okay, we have the coveted uneven butt cheek pattern on these high time frame levels. On the daily time frame, as we put in that low, if we take a look at what happened here on the chart, we can see that market Cipher B is having momentum come up as the price is coming down like this, right? And this, of course, if we draw on our chart, looks like a very uneven pair of gluteus maximi, right? Okay, with a very large butt crack. But here's the thing. This is happening on high term time frames at very key areas of support. And if we know that we should be buying low and selling high, which we always should be doing, then I honestly am expecting to move back up to that $25,000 area. Now, we have been well aware of these levels. Okay, this is a trade that I took live in the VIP live stream that I do every single Monday. When we came back down to test the Fibonacci golden pocket, that was a trade setup that I gave in the VIP Discord from that golden pocket. In fact, my long trade, I have been compounding from, around that, let's see here, around that 19.7 area, right? I have been compounding from that 19.7 area. I've been adding to the position. I've been taking profits out from around 19.7. And this is the position I currently have open right now as a long. Okay, so what has to happen in order for us to hit that $24,000 level? Because as you can see here, I have take profits right now set at 22K, 24K, and I will even continue to compound the trade and hopefully take more profits along the way up. So here's what has to happen. By the way, if you do want to join the VIP Discord where we post the levels, where we post potential trade setups, where we do multiple live streams a week, where we have a team of traders posting the juiciest potential trade setups and technical analysis, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper to join the community. Well, here's what has to happen. Number one, we must claim this area of resistance, the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement from the September 13th high to the low that we put in back on Thursday, the 13th of October. This is a very key area of resistance right now because it is a Fibonacci golden pocket. Now, if we claim this level, notice that there's very, very little resistance along the way up. This move happened literally in one day. We came down from 23K all the way down to about 19.8K. That is a move of about 12%. And if we look here, even if we come above this candle, there's very little resistance until we get to the highs of this area. And so the first major resistance that we will have if we can come above this golden pocket is going to be that area around 23.8K, which is why I have a take profit set there next. Okay, so if we can come above this level, I do really think we can get a big move to the upside. Now, this does not mean we should long right now. Of course, we have to wait for a good entry if we are thinking that we are going to get another move to the upside. So right now, a great area to look for a long entry, in my opinion, if we are going to add to our long, would be to wait for a retest back down to that $20,500 area, because this is where we previously had resistance, and this would now be a support resistance flip, okay? And potentially we could even look all the way down to the retest of this value area high. So anywhere, I would say between 20K and 20,500, that is a good area to be looking for a potential higher low if we are going to continue what so far has been an uptrend, a low, a high, a higher low. Now we have put in a higher high. So if we're going to put in a higher low, we would look to potentially find previous resistance acting as support. We could take our Fibonacci golden pocket and, well, let's pull it from maybe this low, and we can see that we do have a golden pocket right around that 20K area. Okay, if we do not claim this level, and if we come back down into here and we do not get a bounce, that to me would then change my bias to more bearish, because we have come outside of this very long, high time frame range. We have rejected from a Fibonacci golden pocket, have come back in the range, failure to make a higher high. That then is where I will stop looking to long this up to that $25,000 area, right? If we just reject here and we can't break back out, let's say we come down, we get our long position from here, and then we reject, well, then I will change my bullish bias. But for right now, things are looking quite strong. I do have to say, of course, we're finding some resistance right here, but that is to be expected because we are at a Fibonacci golden pocket. So if you want to learn this stuff, guys, if you want to learn all these levels and stuff, you can check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com. There's a 35% discount in the description. This will teach you the blueprint on how to become a confident, profitable trader by using strategy, risk management, and then discipline. In addition, guys, if you want to learn how to read a chart like this, an order flow chart, you can check out learn.jasoncaspertrading.com. Me and Boyan from the VIP Discord put together this course that goes over all this stuff. Also a 35% discount on that. Alright, guys, that is it for this video. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, the Messiah. I pray everybody is super blessed. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace!